guys, so this is going to be the last Halloween haul of the year for me. Unfortunately, I know Halloween is already gone, but I'm still going to do it anyway because we all love Halloween. So like I said in my last video, if you watched that one, it is nearly bonfire night here in England, so there's loads of fireworks going off outside. So if you hear loads of banging, that's what that is. Just ignore that. But yeah, I'm going to start with the biggest items first and then just show you the other stuff. So the first thing that I got, which I did post on Instagram, some of you might have seen already, is this, which is A Nightmare Before Christmas little mini suitcase. It says A Nightmare Before Christmas on there. Now when I first got this, I thought it was crazy scratched, but it's actually got like a plastic film on it that you peel off, so underneath it's really shiny and new apparently. But this was from the Disney shop and it was £36 in the sale. So I don't know, I don't need a suitcase. I literally for Christmas last year got the little mini Killstar coffin shaped one, so definitely don't need another one, but it was too cute not to get. So that is the biggest item that I've bought this Halloween anyway. So next is my absolute favourite thing that I've bought this Halloween. These were from Aldi and they were £6.99 each, and these are called Squishmallows, like marshmallows. So I got this little witch one. I got a pumpkin. I got a ghost, which says boo on him, and my absolute favourite one, I got a little bat. And these are the softest, squishiest, most amazing things I've ever felt in my entire life. I actually only bought the bat and the ghost at first, and then I went back and got the pumpkin and the witch because I absolutely love them. They're kind of like sort of a teddy and sort of a pillow. As you can see, they do squish quite flat. They're literally just, I don't know what's in these, it feels like slime. It's amazing. So yeah, definitely my favourite purchase of Halloween was this little guy. He has been my pillow for a few weeks now, and the little witch and the pumpkin live in my car on my back seat. So they are the next kind of big thing that I've got this Halloween. I'm going to put them back over here. So now the bigger stuff is out of the way, I've got like a big box next to me to get stuff out of. So the next thing I got is this cute little girl. So I got her from For the Love of Horror convention in Manchester. She's a little like devilly demon voodoo baby. She's sat in like a pelvis bone kind of thing. She's got a cute little bird skull on her head, which I believe is real. Super cute. This was quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know, I just saw it and I thought it was adorable, so I had to buy her. So then next we have these were from the Killstar Halloween sale, so not really Halloween themed, but I'm just gonna put them in here anyway because they were in the Halloween sale. So there is this little notebook which says I owe you nothing. There is this one that says you say witch like it's a bad thing, and there is this one which is a little coffin shape which says in loving memory of sleep. This one is blank and the other two are like lined pages. So they were £2.99 each, just super cheap little notebooks. I work in an office, so I don't know, just thought I would pick those up. Next I got these from, I think these were from Lidl, I'm not too sure. These giant stickers. So there is a skeleton one, a spider one, a haunted house one, and a happy Halloween one. Not really sure why I got these. In my head I thought maybe I might put this spider one on my laptop, like right in the middle of my laptop. It might look really cute. But I don't know, we'll see. I just thought they were like cool, so I got those. Then next, if you watched my last Halloween haul video, like my normal Halloween haul, you would have seen I got a rubber duck, and on the label there was a little vampire one, and I wondered if you could buy him, and you can. So I picked him up because he's, again, very cute. This was the label that I saw last time and I was like, I need this vampire duck. They did also have the witch one, but it was just kind of boring and green, so I didn't get that one. So now I have my little vampire and my little skeleton ducks. Like the last time, still don't know what I'm going to do with him, but one day when I get a house he's going to sit on my bath. So it was £1, by the way, for anyone who is wondering. He was from the pound shop. Then next we have this, which was also from Lidl. I apologise for the fireworks. I know they're going off all through this video, but they're literally so constant that I can't stop filming for them because they're just going off for hours and hours. So yeah, this was from Lidl. It's a little pumpkin plant pot with a plant in it. The plant is real. It is dying though. I'm awful with plants. I've been watering it. It's been in the sun, but it's still dying. So yeah, but this was really cheap. I think this was like $1.99 and it's super cute. So when this plant dies, I'm going to put my cactuses in these. I've got another one of these pots at work, so I got 2 of them. I'm going to put my little cactuses in them. So there is that. Then I got these from TK Maxx in the sale. They are little shot glasses. I don't really do shots, so I don't really know why I bought them, but they were £4, so like £1 each, and I don't know, they're just cute, aren't they? Sometimes you might need a shot glass for something, so I bought them anyway. Next I have this. Now I showed this on my Instagram and everyone went crazy asking where it was from. It's a ghostly apparition motion light projector, and basically it makes this like moving witchy woman light, and it was only $12.99. When I got this home I didn't really know why I bought it, because I mean I don't have a reason to buy it, but it was cute, so I will show a little clip of what that looks like now on my ceiling so you can all kind of see what I mean. Next, again, if you watched my last haul video, you will know I got a glass bottle with cobwebs on it and I really wanted the bat one, and I did finally find the bat one, which I love. I've been using the cobweb one at work, so now I will be able to use this one too. So these were $7.99, I think. Yeah, $7.99 from TK Maxx. They have a little handle thing at the top. Very cute. Then I got this from the pound shop. I think this was definitely my best buy from the pound shop. It's a little glass skull and it has a switch on the top and it lights up. How cute is that? I don't know. I think that's really cute. For £1, that's like amazing quality. You can actually remove this and like take the lights out as well if you want to, but I don't know, I just think that's so cute. So there is that. And next I have these. These were pretty cheap, which is why I bought them. These were only $3.99 each, so they're just like little jars. I got this one that has the spider and webs on it, and I got that one twice. And then I also got this one which has little skulls on it, and I thought when I move out I'm going to use these for like tea, sugar and coffee. Again, I know I've not moved out yet, so I shouldn't be buying stuff, but they were just too cute, so I bought those. And next I have some candles. Like I said in the last video, I didn't show them all because I just bought too many. So I got blackcurrant pumpkin. This was $7.99. Looks like this. I've already burnt it a little bit. It smells okay. It doesn't really smell very pumpkin-y. I would just say it smells kind of fruity personally, but there is that one. I got caramel pumpkin. This one smells pretty amazing. Again, not really pumpkin-y, more just a caramel smell, but it does smell amazing though. So that one was also $7.99. And then this one called Pumpkin Donut, if it would focus. This one, again, $7.99, a big giant one. This smells pretty amazing too. So they're the 3 that I can remember I've not shown you. I'm pretty sure I got more, but I don't remember which ones I've shown you and which ones I've not shown you, honestly. So I'm not gonna bore you all with candles, but there is that one. Then I got this little hand soap dispenser or moisturizer, whatever you want to put in there. It's just empty, but it's got these 3 very sparkly ghosts. I'm not sure if you can, oh there we go, I was gonna say I'm not sure you can see that on camera, but there we go. This was $7.99 from TK Maxx, and it's very cute, so that is why I bought it. And then 2 last things. So the first one is this one. Now I don't actually have this up here with me, it is downstairs and it's a bit boring, so I'm not going to go and get it, to be quite honest. But it's this blood orange gin set. I absolutely love gin. I am obsessed. I have it most days, I'm not going to lie. So it was just a gin glass which said here for the booze, but booze like B-O-O-S on it. in here, and then you get this little bottle of blood orange mixer and this little jelly eyeball trolley sweet to like put in your gin. That was from New Look, and this I think was about, oh here we go, $15.99, so it was quite expensive, but I don't know, I just bought it anyway, so there is that. And then the very last item, which I got in the TK Maxx sale and has gin in it at the moment, is this wine glass. This was I think £3 or £2.50 or something like that. Just has a cobweb on it with this like 3D gem spider. I don't drink wine, I only drink gin, so it's always going to have gin in it, but I just thought it was really cute for the price, so there was that. That was everything extra that I bought this Halloween. I'm sure there's probably some little bits I've missed out, but I've tried to keep it all in one place so I could kind of film it all and stuff. If there is any extra things I find that I've missed out, I will post them on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on there, then I'll put my Instagram down below for you to go and check that out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.